On the left, you see the old one. And the old one is broken. It doesn't retract anymore. And on the right is one that I got off of eBay. This one is a 2000 Honda Insight. This is a 2001 Honda Insight. As far as I can tell, the part numbers are the same. For instance, this says 08260, and this says 08260. This tang here says G0944. And this tang here says G0944. Below that it says A1101, and below this it says A0581. I'm not sure if that's a sequence number or not, but those numbers differ. But the main number does not differ. They both say 60944. What else? They look very close to identical. The seatbelt color, this is a little newer, so it looks a little brighter in my opinion. What else? This part is just as rusty as the old one. I don't see a serial number or part number on there. Flip it over this way. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of information here. It still has the same plug. They look identical. That's the same marking for the same tang. This is, I believe, is a serial number. It's got a barcode. It looks the same. And this says 2000 0602, and this says 2001 0911. And what else? Line number 0. Sorry. Oh, I got that wrong. It's line number, is that a C? I think line number C. And that's a line number C. So, I think it's a match. The next step is try to put this new one in the car and test it out. So this is the new seat belt. And hook it in. So I hooked it in up at the top, and down below is I believe that's a 14 millimeter bolt. So I'm going to try to and the next piece is, I'm hoping this is also 14 millimeter. It seems tight. And this is the data connection for the seat belt. Okay, nice pop. And I'm gonna have to screw this in here. So if you wait, I will go get that. This is a 10 millimeter screw bolt. Keep missing. there's a bolt. I'm going to finger tighten it, and then I'm going to tool tighten it. That's tightened, this is tightened. And lastly, we're going to tighten this down here with I believe this is a finger tighten it first. Oh, that's much, is it? That is much larger. And did I grab the wrong thing? I grabbed the 12 millimeter, that's why. This is getting pretty exciting. If I can get this to work, I'll be happy. Okay. All right. I'm going to try to do it fast. It's slow. I'm going to try to do it slow. Comes out. All right. Well, this is good so far. Okay, and retracted. I'm happy.